military exercise current affair. Question number 1. The joint military exercise Surya Kiran has been conducted between India and which neighboring country? Correct answer option B, Nepal. Question number 2. Bilateral joint military exercise Harimanu Shakti has conducted between India and which country? Correct answer option D, Malaysia. Question number 3. The first country military exercise Sinbax was conducted between India and which country in December 2024? Correct answer option A, Cambodia. Sinbax exercise was held in Pune, Maharashtra. Question number 4. The bilateral maritime exercise Silinex was conducted between India and which country in December 2024? Correct answer option D, Sri Lanka. This exercise conducted by Indian Navy in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Question number 5. Which country has started the first space defense exercise Antariksh Abhyas 2024? Correct answer option D, India. Question number 6. Which of the following military exercise conducted between the Air Force of India, France and UAE in December 2024? Correct answer option B, Desert Night. Question number 7. The ninth edition of Garud Shakti military exercise was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer option D, Indonesia. Question number 8. The 15th edition of Vajra Prahar military exercise was conducted between India and which of the following country in November 2024? Correct answer option D, United States of. Question number 9. India and which neighboring country participated in military exercise Mitra Shakti in August 2024? Correct answer option C, Sri Lanka. Question number 10. Where was the 20th edition of Yudh Abhyas exercise between organized the Indian Army and US Army in September 2024? Correct answer option B, Rajasthan. Question number 11. Where is the 5th edition of joint military exercise Al Najaf held between India and Oman in September 2024? Correct answer option C, Salalah, Oman. Question number 12. Which of the following joint military exercise conducted between India and Kazakhstan in October 2024? Correct answer option C, Kazand. Question number 13. Where was the joint military exercise Purvi Prahar been organized November 2024? Correct answer option B, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 14. Indian Army conducted third edition of Astra Hind military exercise with which country in November 2024? Correct answer option D, Australia. Astra Hind military exercise was held in Pune, Maharashtra. Question number 15. Which bilateral military exercise was conducted between India and Vietnam in November 2024? Correct answer option B, Winbacks 24. Question number 16. Which of the following bilateral military exercise was conducted between India and Singapore in November 2024? Correct answer option C, Agni Warrior. Question number 17. Who was conducted disaster relief exercise Sanyukt Vimochan in November 2024? Correct answer option A, Indian Army. Question number 18. Which of the following multilateral military exercise was conducted between India, Japan, Australia and United States in October 2024? Correct answer option D, Malabar 2024. Question number 19. Where was the Indian Army conducted the Parvat Prahar exercise? Correct answer option A, Ladakh. Question number 20. Which of the following bilateral military exercise was conducted between India and the France in the year 2024? Correct answer option B, Shakti. Question number 21. The 8th edition of military exercise Maitri was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer option D, Thailand. Question number 22. Which of the following military exercise was conducted between India and Mongolia? Correct answer option D, nomadic elephant. Question number 23. Which of the following military exercise was conducted between India and Japan? Correct answer option A, Dharma Guardian. Question number 24. Which of the following military exercise was conducted between India and Uzbekistan? Correct answer option D, Dust Link. Question number 25. Where was the Indian Coast Guard conducted the REPREX exercise 2024? Correct answer option D, Odisha, Paradip. Question number 26. The joint naval exercise Varuna 2024 has been held between the navy of which country? Correct answer option C, France and India. Question number 27. Where is the 70th International Multi Exercise Kakadu 2024 held? Correct answer option D, Darwin, Australia. 28. Where was the Dosti 16 military exercise between India, Maldives and Sri Lanka held in year 2024? Correct answer option B, Maldives. Question number 29. The fourth OPEX exercise was conducted between India and which country? Correct answer option D, Egypt. Question number 30. Where was the Vayu Shakti 2024 exercise been organized by the Indian Air Force? Correct answer option D, Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. Question number 31. In August 2025, India conducted its first ever two-day naval exercise in South China Sea with which country? करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन सी, फिलीपींस। फिलीपींस के साथ साउथ चाइना सी में ये अभ्यास किए थे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 32। वेयर डिड द इंडियन आर्मी कंडक्टेड द एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी एक्सरसाइज दीव एक्सरसाइज इन जुलाई 2025? करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन डी, ईस्टर्न सिक्किम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33। इन जुलाई 2025, वेयर डिड द इंडियन आर्मी कंडक्ट द एक्सरसाइज नेमेड द्रोण प्रहार? इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, अरुणाचल प्रदेश। अरुणाचल प्रदेश में ड्रोन प्रहार एक्सरसाइज किए थे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34। बिटवीन विच टू कंट्रीज हैज द जॉइंट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज नेमेड बोल कुरुक्षेत्र 2025 ओरिजिनेट इन जुलाई 2025? करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, इंडिया एंड सिंगापुर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35। हमारे टाइम बिलेटर एक्सरसाइज सिम्बेक्स हैज बीन ऑर्गेनाइज बिटवीन इंडिया एंड विच कंट्री? Correct answer option B, Singapore. Question number 36. India will participate in the Talisman Sabha 2025 bilateral military exercise for the first time. Where it organized? Correct answer option D, both A and B, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड पापुआ न्यू गिनी दोनों में ये ऑर्गेनाइज हुआ था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 37। इन जुलाई 2025 with which country India has started the Coast Guard exercise named जय माता? इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, जापान। क्वेश्चन नंबर 38। द फर्स्ट जॉइंट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज टाइगर क्लॉड 2025 हैज बीन कनेक्टेड इंडिया एंड which country? Correct answer option D, United States of America. Question number 39. The 8th edition of the Joint Military Exercise Shakti 2025 will be held between India and which country? Correct answer option A, France. India and France के बीच हुआ था। Question number 40. The Global Nuclear Emergency Exercise CONEX 3 2025 has been held in which country? Correct answer option C, Romania.